If you want to have the ambiance of a nice little fake fire, check this out. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. There may be times that you need a little fire and it's not going to be safe to use a real fire. You know, plays, holidays, decorations, those kinds of things. So I just picked this up. As you can see here, it is a plastic housing with a fan underneath. We have some red fabric right here cut out kind of randomly, and looks like 3 pieces. This big middle piece and then 2 side pieces just like this. You don't want to pull them on them too hard. They're all kind of attached in the middle there. And then it looks like we have, might be able to see here, a little LED light right in the middle. A little plastic construction. As you can see, it's probably about 5 inches wide. The legs here are about 1.5 inches tall. You can see the fan inside that shroud there. And what it's going to do is it's going to push these little fabric pieces up and then hopefully light it up too. Now, I don't see an on-off switch anywhere here, just the 2-prong outlet. So I think if I plug this in, it's going to turn on right away. So let's try it out. And there she goes. So it does have a light. And as you can see, it kind of pushes the flames out. They don't really move around a lot, but what they give you is a little bit of that rippling effect so that it kind of looks like fire. It's pretty cool. Yeah, just like that. So, if you need something, a little fire simulation, a play, a prop, you're shooting a video, maybe just something for a little ambiance, why don't you go this way? I will say the fan puts out a little noise, so you kind of have this light blowing sound from it, so it's not silent, but could fit your needs. Hey, if you want to pick up this, I'll put a link to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out. If you want to have